Dear viewers, today we will discuss significance of educational psychology. The significance of educational psychology lies in its potential to improve the quality of education and the learning experiences of students by applying the principles and theories of educational psychology. Educators can gain a deeper understanding of how students learn, what motivates them, and what strategies are most effective for different types of learners. This can help educators to create more effective and engaging learning environments that support the development of students' knowledge, skills, and ability. Here are some of the key points that highlight the significance of education psychology. Now we will discuss key points. Improving teaching and learning. Educational psychology helps teachers understand how students learn and apply this knowledge to design effective instructional strategies and materials. Second one is enhancing student achievement. By understanding the factors that influence learning, educational psychologists can help students achieve their full potential. Third one is developing assessment tools. Educational psychologists contribute to the design and validation of assessments that measure student learning and evaluate the effectiveness of educational programs. Fourth one is very important, understanding individual differences. Educational psychology explores the ways in which students differ in their ability to learn and process information and provides insights into how teachers can accommodate these differences in the classroom. Fifth one is addressing social and emotional factors. Education is not just about acquiring knowledge and skills, but also about developing as a person. Education psychology examines the social and emotional factors that affect learning and helps teachers create supportive learning environments.